Continue from there. This time, this is the third step. We're about to check the main lamp itself. We are about to check the main lamp itself to see which is which. So this is a lamp tester, right? It reads, it has positive and negative, readers, legs for them. So let's do our work. We're now going to, so you have to plug the lamp tester, check if it's working. Yes, it's working. Then let's move on. Good. You place one at the positive side. Good. And the other one at the negative. You see that it's on, if you can see clearly. So there is no problem with this particular lamp. It's off. And it's on again, right? There is no problem with these ones. Let's move on to the next one to check. Negative there, positive here. Negative, positive, none ons. Let's turn it and see. Negative, positive, nothing ons. So it tells us the whole strip. Let's test them one by one and see. This one ons. The second one ons. Is it strong enough? Yeah. It's ons and it's strong enough. Let's move on to the third one. The third one ons. The fourth one turns on. Fifth one turns on. And the sixth one. The sixth one did not turn on. So now we know where the problem is. This particular one is the issue. And we need to fix it. We need to change that one. So we're going to take that one off. There are two options, depending on the customer. If he's ready to pay for full lamps, you have to change this whole strip. The second one, that is not on. The second one with the faulty lamp on it, you have to change the whole thing. That is if the customer is ready. If he's not ready, not all that endowed in his pocket, you need to repair that one and fix a working one on it for him. That is what you can do. So you need to scratch off some of the rubber surface to get a metallic surface, because you'll be leading wire to that board, that small panel. So that is what he's doing. He is scratching parts so that he can get access, a metallic access to lead his lamp. And when that is done, hopefully everything should turn on like the way we want it. So that is what he has done. If you can see, right? This side has been peeled off. So you can see the metal surface. The other side too has been peeled off. You can see the metal surface. Yeah. So this is what we have for now. We'll continue and know how it should be connected. So what you have to do is, you see we have some of the lamps here. So we need to cut it out and check which one works. Then you can use it to replace the faulty one. Like you can see. Okay. You don't need to cut it straight. You need to have some of the edges around, so that when you are leading, you can have access like we did to the first side. Okay. You need only one. Do not check it. Okay. So we're going to test which one will work for us to see which is which. You do the same thing by peeling off the edges. It's working. So we're testing this one. See that one did not on. It means it's not working. So when we place it on it, it's cost 90. It did not on. You have to discard them. Then you search for a better one. So as a technician, you need to be buying lamps and put them down, because you don't have to wait for someone to come before you search for lamps. This one too did not work. So he's left with the last one to test whether that one will work or not. This is a pure technical shop. You can see other students working on their boards there. Yeah, that's another TV which is undergoing operation. And there is another student there, a technician, also working on his computer.
Yes.
Right? You learn everything when you come to Creative Computer Lab. You get good access. Let's get back on course. Is it working? No, this one too did not work. So let's search for another working one and see.